Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bram Schott, Chairman of the Board of Management, Audi AG.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another historic moment for Audi. Just a few months ago, we made Audi history with this car next to me, this beautiful E-tron, our first all-electric series model. At this world premiere, I sat down, shared some thoughts, and introduced this great new member of the Audi family, and I will do the same today, just sit down and reflect. At this special event where we introduced the E-tron in San Francisco, I referred to a saying that dated back to the times of Benjamin Franklin and his experiments with electricity. When you achieved something special, you have caught lightning in a bottle. It works. It's beautiful, isn't it? And we just did that. We introduced the E-tron and we did the same. It marked the beginning of a new era for us at Audi, a new era of electric mobility. The E-tron is namely the first of many to come, delivering on our promise of Vorsprung durch Technik. And today, we're taking this metaphor to the next level. So to speak, we have caught another 3 bolts of lightning in bottles. This is the first ever exhibition of our brand on a press day to show only electrified cars. Today, you're going to see the next 2 years of e-mobility made by Audi. The e-tron is the first of its kind, and the response to this car is overwhelming. The feedback from you, the press, our dealers, our customers, is extremely positive. In just a few days, we will start to deliver the e-tron worldwide. The e-tron embodies our definition of sustainable mobility. Sporty, great design, and fully suitable for everyday life. But it also embodies the transformation of our brand, of our company. We changed the way we do business, becoming more agile, leaner, and open to new cooperation partners. We want to stay true to ourselves, questioning the status quo, being fearless, striving for progress, and foremost, focus on what is relevant for our customers. We are convinced progress is only achieved by following your own path. And when it comes to ideas and creativity, there is no no. There's only one question: why not? We strive to delight our customers with a unique premium experience. And with e-tron, this experience becomes electrifying.
It's happening. Our first fully electric car is conquering the road. Electrification as a system. Easy and convenient. With the backing of our dealer network. E-mobility, now pushed to the next level. Electric goes thrilling. On the track and on the road. The e-tron GT concept. Fully electric. Purely Audi sport-minded. A stark contrast to the expected. Engineered to get your heart racing. Our next move, the Audi e-tron Sportback, touching ground in late 2019. Thrilling design and an incredibly sporty driving experience. This is Gran Turismo Reloaded. They are changing, and we are changing with them. Transforming from car manufacturer to mobility partner. Pioneering. Determined. Together.
What a lineup, huh? Isn't it great? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, electric mobility will transform the automotive business. And with these cars, Audi will be one of the front runners. The Audi e-tron Sportsback follows close on the heels of its brother. You will see this car without camouflage by the end of the year. The range of this emotive coupe is more than 400 kilometers WLTP. The Audi e-tron is really a great car. It even matched actually the original e-tron. It's just a little bit sleeker and sportier. And talking about sportiness, take a look at this car. It is, in the end of the day, a car that comes in 2020, late 2020, into production. It is really something that guarantees sportiness and performance. And it's another masterpiece of our chief designer, Mark Lichter. Mark, can I invite you on stage and tell something about your babies, please?
Wow, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the Audi e-tron GT concept demonstrates perfectly how emotional, how sporty, and how sexy e-mobility will become at Audi. You know, we present this car already at the end of last year at LA Motor Show, and today the first time in Europe. And the basis for us designers is always the package. This package is simply awesome because there's a battery pack located in the floor. It's a real four-seater. There's even enough half clearance for a tall person like me. And you have to imagine that the result is that the height of this car is 50 mm lower than our sporty A7. And this is just awesome. The design language represents the next evolution of our styling. And I like to point out one detail which is very important for all of our future e-tron family members. This single frame is not a radiator anymore because there is no engine. That's why we came up with the idea to invert the single frame by color, and this body-painted sensor rack is integrated in a dark surrounding. And this will be the future element of each e-tron members of our future portfolio. The interior is a real four-seater. It's sustainable, and we take sustainability very serious at Audi. It's 100% vegan. The architecture of the dashboard is extremely driver-oriented to underline that this is a real sports car. This masterpiece will go to production at the end of 2020. This car next to me will go already at the end of this year to production, the Audi e-tron Sportback. And we came up with the idea, what about to combine the comfort and the usability of an SUV, and to combine this with the aesthetic of a coupe. We took the lower part of the Audi e-tron and add the A7 roofline on top of it. And the result is a very dynamic, sporty, and attractive battery electric SUV. But, ladies and gentlemen, our e-tron family will become even bigger. Let's have a look. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Q4 e-tron concept will be the first affordable battery electric SUV in the A segment. And these proportions are simply stunning. Thanks to these engineers who developed this package, there is a huge battery pack located in the floor. That's why the wheelbase is really extended. This creates really short overhangs. And design-wise, this is as well the next evolution in our design language. We combine really emotional, almost sexy surfaces with a few precise lines. But I'd like to show you my favorite detail. As well, the inverted single frame like at the E-tron GT, but my favorite detail are these headlights. We will call them digital signature lights, and the future customer of this car can choose in between many different proposals his own or his favorite design graphic for the first time in production at Audi in 2 years' time. The interior, thanks to this long wheelbase, offers almost upper-class dimensions. The interior is really designed very light. We choose bright colors, and as well, of course, is 100% vegan. And for the first time in production, the focus for the driver is our huge augmented head-up display. Ladies and gentlemen, the Q4 e-tron will go into production like it is. Only a few details will be added. Will go to production at the end of 2020.
Thank you very much, Mark. If you look at this car, I think it's stunning. The Audi Q4 e-tron is really great. It has the looks, it is beautiful like those cars, and it has the range, up to 450 range WLTP. This compact SUV is the first Audi model developed on the MAB platform. With this cross-brand architecture, we're once again utilizing the full potential of the VW group. And with opening up the compact segment to e-mobility, we enable even more people to drive electric. Like Mark said, production version of this concept will start in 2021. But we've got some more highlights for you already this year. 2019 is the year of plug-in hybrids made by Audi.
Roll your windows down, pedals to the ground, driving upside down, just drive. Drive along, drive along, drive along from dusk to dawn.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Fermín Soneira, Head of Product Marketing, Audi AG.
Thank you, Bram. Ladies and gentlemen, today we see the future of mobility made by Audi. Sporty, progressive, sustainable. We've merged our more than 100 years of experience in manufacturing premium cars with the new world of electro-mobility. The result is the e-tron family, which includes both our fully electric vehicles as well as our plug-in hybrids. We are now bringing to market 4 new impressive members of this family, from a mid-size SUV to a luxury sedan. We are bringing to market the plug-in hybrid versions, what we call TFSI-E, of the Q5, A6, A7 Sportback, and A8. Bram Schott called 2019 to be the year of the plug-in hybrids at Audi, a key technology in our road to the future. And we are increasing our portfolio with these 4 cars. The plug-in hybrids are a core part of our future strategy. They combine perfectly the Audi values with the future of mobility. And they give to our customers the best of 2 worlds. In the all-electric mode, you can drive emission-free in the city, while on longer journeys, you benefit from the long range of the combustion engine. All that along with the superior quality and comfort you will expect from an Audi. In the purely electric range, our plug-in hybrids achieve a value of 40 kilometers, and the top electrical speed is 140 kilometers per hour, with a battery that can be fully charged in 2 hours. That means that you can make most of your daily trips fully electric. Ladies and gentlemen, today you see 4 new members of the plug-in hybrid. They are just a part of the more than 20 Audi models that will hit the market in 2019. As you see, the E-tron family is a fundamental pillar of our strategy to the future. Our mission is to give our customers the best premium mobility experience and to be the #1 premium brand in e-mobility. Thank you very much for joining us in this amazing journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Fermin. With this plug-in hybrids you see over here and our e-models, we are covering the whole range of our portfolio. And by the end of next year, we will offer 12 electrified models. That's a benchmark in the premium segment, the broadest range on offer now. 5 of the models I just mentioned will be all electric, and I can see you all counting E-tron and those 3 cars. There are only 4 on stage. We'll present the one that's missing in a few weeks in Shanghai, because it's developed especially for the Chinese market. It is a Q2L e-tron, long version of the Q2, and of course, fully electric. Ladies and gentlemen, Audi kicks off into a new future with a strong commitment and a strong vision for that future. A strong vision on emission-free driving, contributing to a greener and more sustainable mobility. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for your attention.